Perfect baby back ribs. Let's go. First, we're going to remove the membrane or any silver skin from the bone side. This step is optional, but I do prefer it so that more of my rub can come in contact with the meat. Now we're going to square up our rib rack and save those pieces for some candy later. And now for the rub. I'm using Char-Griller rib rub, and you can use any rub of choice. Just make sure you get all sides and pat, don't rub. And remember those end pieces we took off? We're going to season this with a different rub just to test it out and see if it's something we want to do on a whole rack next time. Now we smoke at 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Now let's wrap this rack up with butter, honey, more rub, and some apple juice. And let that go for about another hour. And during this entire smoke, you're going to want to keep your eye on your temperatures and add wood as needed, keeping it in that 225 to 250 range. Again, this is another optional step, but I've preheated some of my favorite barbecue sauce, and I am going to layer down a nice coat of this sauce over all sides of the meat and then throw it back on the smoker for about 15 to 30 minutes just to let that sauce tighten up. Now pull them off the smoker, let them rest, and they should have a nice bend to them when you lift them up from the center. And now we slice them up, share, and devour. And if you're still here, you're one of the real ones. Thank you so much. And now you know the best way to smoke